Hi, Jake here from Hapinest. We wanted to shoot a quick video to increase your success in sprouting your Royal Poinciana seed from our bonsai starting set. The Royal Poinciana is native to Madagascar. We have found the outer shell to be extremely hard. Because of the hardness of the outer shell, water is unable to penetrate the seed. We have found success in penetrating the outer seed coat through several ways. Our first method is by taking a file and filing little at a time, checking, because all you want to do is get through that hard outer layer and protect the seed. So you just file it a little bit at a time until you get through, and you're going to see a white. It's going to be brown and then white. Our second option, and we found the greatest success in this, is where you take a pair of needle nose pliers and you want to just little by little clip the outer shell until you see this white. Here, just like in the first method, you want to clip until you see the white. The next step, after you've clipped or filed the outer shell, is you want to take the seeds and you drop them in a cup of water and let them soak for 24 to 48 hours. Once your seed has been soaking for 24 to 48 hours, you'll be able to come back and you'll notice that the outer shell has softened and it has expanded 2 to 3 times the original size. As well, you will begin to see that the seed has begun to sprout, and then you're ready for your next step. Once your seed has been soaking for 24 to 48 hours, it's ready to be placed on the topsoil, where for the next 2 to 3 days, you're going to water it with ample amounts of water, making sure that that outer layer stays soft. After 2 to 3 days of watering your seed, it will continue to sprout. At this point, you are now ready to cover your seed lightly with a light layer of soil, which then you will continue to water for the next 5 to 6 days. At that point, within 5 to 6 days, you should begin to see a sprout, much like this one. Well, that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. Now go and grow with Hapinest.